Someone ordered from me a chicken paprikash cake, which is a Hungarian specialty. So I did it, and then I realized that I can do it. And there were some media who found me. I was also on the TV, and when they saw that I am doing cakes like this, then more and more food cake orders came. So there was a Wiener Schnitzel with French fries or rice. I received more and more orders, and then I had to choose which one I want to do, because at the days I did the finance stuff, and I also have 2 children, and I also did divorce, so I raised them alone, and then I had to make the decision, so I quit my job. I just go and look all the stuff I have, and then I try it, and I usually succeed. When they receive a cake like this, they start to behave like a child. They love it, they don't believe it, they start to photograph it, and they remember, and that's the best thing, that it's a really a special surprise. Many people live here. We don't depend from the tourists or anyone. So there is a kindergarten, there are schools. So it looks like that we can survive here also during the pandemic. I read in a book that when you have a talent, it's really a sin when you don't use it.